Stop paying for AI voices right now. This free Google tool sounds so real, you'll think a human is talking. And the craziest part? Most people don't even know it exists. Before I show you this secret, quickly like this video, agree in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss powerful tools like this again. Trust me, this one is worth it.
If you've ever tried to find a free AI voice or lip sync tool, you know how frustrating it can be. Most tools are either expensive, limited, or the voices just sound fake and robotic. Some people even pay for tools like 11 Labs and still don't get exactly what they want. But today, I came with a solution.
This tool is completely free, built by Google, and the voices sound natural, clean, and human. In fact, some of these voices sound even more realistic than 11 Labs. Later in this video, we'll compare both of them side by side. But for now, let's go straight into the tutorial. First, open your browser. You can use any browser you like, but I recommend Google Chrome for the best experience. Now, click on the search bar and type Google AI Studio, then press enter. Make sure you click on the official Google website called Google AI Studio. Once it opens, you're now inside Google AI Studio.
Don't worry if you see many options here. I'll guide you step by step. Look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small square box, also called the menu icon. Click on it. You'll now see options like Home, Playground, Build, Dashboard, and Documentation. But we are not here for all that. What we want is Google's free text-to-speech voice tool. Now click on the Home option. Wow! Here you can see amazing things Google AI Studio can do. You can build apps, chat with AI models, and even monitor your usage. But let's focus on what we came for. Now, scroll down a little. You'll see more powerful features like Gemini models, experimental tools, and video creation options. But look right here. You'll see an option that says Turn Text into Audio. This is the Google AI Text-to-Speech tool. Click on it. You'll now be taken to a new page. This is where the magic happens. First, look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the small square box there.
You'll see two options: single speaker audio and multi-speaker audio. Since we're using just one character for our video, select single speaker audio. I'll explain the multi-speaker option in another video. Now let's choose a voice. Under the voice option, you'll see both male and female voices. You can preview them to hear how they sound. I'll use the Sulafat voice because it has a warm tone and a smooth middle pitch. Now, go back to the text box. Type anything you want. For example, "Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe." At the top, you can also add style instructions. This helps control how the voice sounds, like friendly, calm, or confident. Now, click Run. Wait a few seconds. Your audio will generate and download automatically.
A few moments later.
Now, let's preview the AI lip sync we just created.
For example, "Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel."
Wow, this voice sounds incredibly realistic. You can even hear the breathing. Subscribe to see the full comparison between Google AI Studio and 11 Labs.